Good morning, MGI. I just want to get on here and explain what you have going today. As far as the hybrid model, which we will move to on Monday, I'll send out more information tomorrow or Sunday about how that will look for this class. I'll probably do it just like this with the screencast-o-matic and then updates on Schoology so that everybody kind of feels good about what's going on. When you get to school Monday, or if you're in that B group, what you're doing asynchronous or online during the days that we're in school, and the opposite for A days. But for today, what you're going to do, if you go into the class, you scroll down, you just have one thing to do today, or tomorrow if you need more time. But you will just click here on this assignment for 10.1 and 10.2, North Korean denuclearization discussion. And it says there has been discussion of the possibility of North Korea disarming their nuclear weapons program. However, there has been controversy around that topic to if North Korea is actually going through with this or it is a setup. Please respond to the prompt below. For your response, you need to use one of the following sources or a new source. In doing so, in your response, just copy and paste your link or hyperlink it. Also, don't be afraid to use your audio-video response tools. After you have responded to the prompt, comment on one of your classmates' posts. So you have to make a post on this discussion and then comment on one classmate's. And then I put, the question is here, do you believe the United States should take a more prominent role in the denuclearization of North Korea? Explain. Also, don't forget to back up your claim with a source. Okay, and these links here, okay, I put all the links right here, so you just got to scroll down and click on if you choose to use one of those rather than find your own. And then you'll make your post and post to a classmate. Okay, so the main question is, do you believe the United States should take a more prominent role in the denuclearization of North Korea? And then explain yourself. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email. I will not be on Google Meets today, so you can email me. Other than that, I will post, like I said, more information about the hybrid model and what it will look like for this class either tomorrow or Sunday. All right, have a good weekend. I will see you all on Monday or Tuesday or Thursday or Friday. Bye.